Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by fixing the basics that often block the store. First, make sure date, time, and region are correct and you have a working network. Mismatches break authentication. Next, run the Windows Store app's troubleshooter from settings. This finds common issues and applies fixes automatically. Once done, reset the store cache by running WS reset. EXE, this clears corrupted cache without removing apps. After the reset finishes, reopen the store to see if the problem persists. Now you move into deeper fixes when a simple reset didn't help. Open PowerShell as administrator and re-register the Microsoft Store package with the Add Apps package command. This repairs missing apps registrations. While you're at it, make sure Windows Update, Bits, and the Microsoft Store install service are running. Stopped services prevent installs and updates. Then clear store temp folders under local cache and packages so stale files don't interfere. After those steps, restart and try signing into the store and downloading an app. Finish by repairing system components and providing a fallback. Run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix corrupted files that break store behavior. If store still fails, create a new local user account and test there. Profile corruption is common. As a last resort, use system restore to roll back recent changes or reinstall the store package cleanly. If things still go wrong, boot into a clean boot to identify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.